What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's the dude, Fade Count here, back with another video. This is a special one. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be really cool. That's because in one of my last videos, we took a 370Z, we drifted it in Forza Horizon 5, and that car was a replica of my buddy Jacob's 370Z. That car's making 1100 horsepower. I've never seen it in person. And well, he's gonna be here soon. I'm going to take a ride in the 1100 horsepower LS swapped big turbo Nissan 370Z. I'm super excited. Never been in a car like this before. And it's around midnight, so my neighbors are probably gonna hate me. I'm sure it's loud. It's gonna be fun. With all that being said, if you have a car like this or you've been in cars like this, comment that down below. I would love to know your experience. If you love cars, you like this video, you like the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, that's really it. He's gonna be here soon. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Reinforced, braced, all of it's chromoly, like this, the bracing. Yeah, this car's an experience. It's got like a lot of bangs and rattles and shakes and everything, but she boogies and not many cars on the road can beat her. So it's 3 gears. And the way it works is like when we come to a stop, I'll show you from like a dead stop. When I first started like daily driving this car, I was doing like all this like just research, like are people actually daily driving 1,000 horsepower turbo 400 transmissions? And like it's not that they are, but it's
right there.
Yeah.
Bro, this is literally like a f***ing roller coaster.
Yeah.
Like that little pull, this is like a f***ing roller coaster, man. What the f***? That sound is like intoxicating.
I had this car, this setup for a while now, and it's like every time makes me laugh. It helps motivate me to keep on building it, you know what I mean?
Oh my god.
That's the boost controller off. So that's just making wastegate pressure.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's off right now.
What the f?
Yeah, she hustles and bustles.
Woo! That's all I gotta say.
You ever felt brake boost?
No, I don't know if.
I'm gonna do a little bit of brake boost. Just letting it build like 6-7 pounds before we take off.
Oh my god, dude. Yo, I just gotta say, for everyone watching this, if you've never been in a car like this, this is it's crazy. It's wild. My god. Oh my god. Like Need for Speed. I will say, a car like this genuinely feels like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
I mean, this is like wild stuff.
This is a possibility for big power.
Just some words of wisdom, plenty more. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes, it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head.
Hi, my man. It's been a wonderful night.
I am back from that ride. That was absolutely insane. One of the most fun, exhilarating, gnarly, nerve-wracking experiences of my whole entire life. Big shout out to Jacob for picking me up, showing me what that car can do. Absolutely insane. 1100 horsepower, 103 millimeter turbo, full roll cage, full racing seats, 3-speed transmission, drag slicks, skinnies in the front. I mean, car's insane. There's really nothing more to it. Hope you guys like that video. I'm still smiling. I'm still mentally shook. I've never been in a car like that. That was really cool. And man, if you guys have been in a car like that or have any experiences with fast cars or fun cars, comment that down below. I would love to know. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you like the channel and the videos on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. With all that being said, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.